Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Today, children, we are going to do part 5 section of Measures of Capacity, chapter 18 of class 3rd Maths Junior book. In this, we will learn how to multiply with the units liters and milliliters. So let's start it. Now, first of all, we will check the homework part that was given yesterday of exercise 18B. So here we have to do subtraction. 8A part 6 liter 345 milliliters minus 300 liters. Now children, there is no milliliters, so put 0 in the column of milliliters. 3 liters and then put 0. Now subtract, as there is no number below 345 in milliliter side, so we will write directly 345 in the answer part, in milliliter part. Then 6 minus 3 is 3. So total answer is 3 liters 345 milliliters. Now B part, 65 liters 250 milliliters minus 52 liter 163 milliliter. Now write down this in the column way, and children, then you have to subtract. Now from 0 you cannot subtract 3. So you will borrow 1 from the neighbor number, that is 5, and it will become 10. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 5 is reduced to 4. Again you cannot subtract 6 from 4. So you will borrow 1 from hundreds place, that is 2 number, which will give 1 to 4, and it will become 14. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So milliliter side you have got 87 milliliters. Then come towards liter side. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So total answer is 13 liter 87 milliliters. Then C part, children, 250 liters 625 milliliters 138 liters 57 milliliters. Now from 5 you cannot subtract 7, so it will borrow 1 and become 15. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Now 2 is reduced to 1. So again from 1 you cannot subtract 5. So you will borrow 1 from the neighbor number, that is 6. So it will become 11. Now 11 minus 5 is 6. And 6 is reduced to 5 and there is no number below it. So write 5 in the answer also. So milliliter side you will get 568 milliliters. Then towards liter, again from 0 you cannot subtract 8. So you will borrow 1 from 5 and it will become 10. Now 10 minus 8 is 2 and 5 is reduced to 4. Now 4 minus 3 is 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So total answer is 112 liters 568 milliliters. Children, don't forget to write units. It is very important. And always you will write bigger unit earlier, then you will write smaller unit towards right hand side column. Now D part, 156 liters 985 milliliters minus 143 liters 879 milliliters. Now from 5 you cannot subtract 9, so you will borrow 1 from 8 and it will become 15. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. Now 8 is reduced to 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then come towards liter side. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So no need to write there 0. Your total answer will be 13 liter 106 milliliters. Then E part, 2100 liters 210 milliliters minus 1464 liters 198 milliliters. Now from 0 you cannot subtract 8, children. So you will borrow 1 and it will become 10. Then 10 minus 8 is 2. Now the number at tens place is reduced to 0. So again from 0 you cannot subtract 9. So it will borrow 1 from 2 and become 10 again. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. And the number at 100 place is now 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So milliliter side you have got 12. Now come towards liter side. Again you cannot subtract 5 from 0. So you will borrow. But you will borrow from tens part. But there 0 is written. So again it will also borrow from hundreds part. It will borrow 1 from hundreds part. So the number at tens place will become 10 first. Then it will give to the ones place, that is to the 0. And it will become, now the number at ones part will become 10 and the number at tens part will become 9 from the liter side. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3 and the number at hundreds will be 0 again. Then it will also borrow 1 from 1000 place, so it will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So total answer is 635 liters, 12 milliliters. Then F part, 3987 liter, 860 milliliters, minus 551 milliliters. Where there is no liters, so you will leave that part. Only you will write on the milliliter side. So write milliliters side 860 milliliters and then 551. Liter side leave it. Then subtract. From 0 you cannot subtract 1. It will borrow 1 from 6 and become 10. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 6 is reduced to 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. And there is no number at liters, so you will directly write down answer on the liter side, that is 3987. So total answer is 3987 liters, 309 milliliters. Now exercise 18C, multiplying liquid measurements. Children, now we will do the multiplication part. For this table, you should learn table by heart. Now A part, first A part, 270 milliliters multiplied by 4. Now 4 sevens are, start from the one side, 4 sevens are 28. Write 8 in the answer part and 2 on tens part as a carry. Now 4 ones are 4 and add carry 2, it will be 6. And 4 twos are 8. So total answer is 868 milliliters. Then B part, 184 liters multiplied by 4. Now 4 fours are 16. Now 6 you write in the answer part and 1 as carry. 4 eights are 32 and 32 plus 1 carry, that is 33. Write 3 in the answer part and 3 as carry on hundreds part. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. So total answer is 736 liters. Then C part, children, 25 liters, 295 milliliters multiplied by 3. Now 3 fives are 15. You have to start from the milliliter side, children. Now 3 fives are 15. 5 you write in the answer part and 1 as carry. Then 3 nines are 27. 27 plus 1 is 28. So write 8 in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So milliliter side you will write 885. Then come towards liter side. Write liter there first. Then 3 fives are 15. 5 in the answer part and 1 as carry. Now 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So total answer is 75 liters, 885 milliliters. Then D part, 135 liters, 155 milliliters multiplied by 5. Now 5 twos are 5 fives are 25. 5 you will write in the answer part and 2 as carry. Now 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 2 carry, that is 27. Now 7 in the answer part and 2 as carry again. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 2 carry is 7. So milliliter side you will get 775 milliliters. Then come towards liter side. 5 fives are 25. 5 you will write in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 5 threes are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So 7 you write in the answer part and 1 as carry. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 plus 1 carry 6. So total answer is 675 liters, 775 milliliters. Now we will multiply fourth A part, that is 7 liter 158 milliliter multiplied by 6. So start multiplying from milliliter side. 6 eights are 48. 8 you will write in the answer part and 4 as carry. Then 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. Then 4 you write in the answer part and 3 as carry. And then 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 carry, that is 9. So milliliter side you will get 948. Then come towards liter side. 6 sevens are 42 liters. So total answer is 42 liter 948 milliliters. Then 36 liter 178 milliliters multiplied by 4. Now 4 eights are 32. So write 2 in the answer part and 3 as carry. Then 4 sevens are 28 plus 3 31. 1 you write in the answer part and 3 as carry. Then 4 ones are 4 plus 3 7. So 712 milliliter side you will get. Then 4 6 are 24. 4 you write in the answer part and 2 as carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So total answer is 144 liters, 712 milliliters. Then C part, 125 liters, 105 ml or milliliters multiplied by 8. Now 8 fives are 40, right? 0 in the answer part and 4 as carry. Then 8 zeros are 0. 0 plus 4 carry, that is 4. Then 8 ones are 8. Then come towards liter side. 8 fives are 40. Write 0 in the answer part and 4 as carry. Then 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 carry, that is 20. So write 0 in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 8 ones are 8 and plus 2, that is 10. So total answer is 1000 liter 840 milliliters. Then D part 357 liters 140 milliliters multiplied by 5. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20. So write 0 in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 2 7. So 700 milliliters. Then come towards liter side. 5 sevens are 35. Write 5 in the answer part and 3 as carry. Then 5 fives are 25. 25 plus 3 is 28. Write 8 in the answer part and 2 as carry. Then 5 threes are 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. So total answer is 1785 liters 700 milliliters. Now there is a homework for you, and homework from exercise 18C. That is question 2 A to D part and question 3 A to D part. Do in your copy, children. I hope, children, you have understood the topic and do all the work very nicely in your copies. And thank you. Have a nice day.